you all are keeping cool. This is Mumtahina Mehjabin Gungun here. So today I'm going to talk about hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is like a liquidy thing which sanitizes our hand. And why do we use hand sanitizer? Well, I'll tell you why. It's because that this pandemic is going on and the viruses are still spreading everywhere. And that's why you have to use hand sanitizer. And here's an example. Such as like if you're going outside, then the virus might get into your hand. So, and make sure to always keep a hand sanitizer next in your pocket or in your bag or in anything. And we use lots of hand sanitizers, so like Dettol, Savlon, and more. And my papa bought a lot of hand sanitizers, and you guys need to use them anytime. Yes, especially a important thing, something like eating or handshaking. Yes, handshaking. You cannot handshake first, but if you do it by mistake, make sure to sanitize your hand immediately. And I always keep a hand sanitizer around with me everywhere I go. So that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to use hand sanitizer. Bye-bye.